Hello again, everyone. Today we are playing CSGO. That's right. It has been a while. I had one of my friends tell me, "Hey, you want to play CSGO? Sure, why not?" 9 gigabytes later, yeah, I am still a piece of crap. So I did a little bit of some casual. I'm still back at sniping. But we're gonna go back into competitive, as much as I hate it. We're not gonna do Vertigo, because that map, that's just a train wreck. But we're gonna do the rest of these maps. Agency, we're not actually. I did not see that. Agency is the one map I hate the most. But there are about a few new maps. Breach and Studio. So hopefully we get some of these, and not these yet, but heck, I'm hoping to at least get Silver 3. Oh wait, I can't, because democracy. So at side hack, might as well just do video. We got a loadout here. Terrace, stat track, Bunsen burner. How many kills we got on this thing? Ooh. 539. Dual Berettas in there. P250. Tac 9. The revolver. I haven't used Deagle yet, but I probably should actually. Yeah, replace with CT. Actually, let's give the USP a try. Yeah, we got the rest usual here. And yes, I named my gun that. Because funny story on that. When I was playing, I think it was a casual, I was killing people left and right. I just was. Just killing people left and right. This was like back in the day where it was just like chaotic. The Mac-10 Neon. We'll show you the others if this actually happens. So we're going to play competitive and hope for the best that we actually get a rank back. And of course I get the usual, hey, it's 10th player, they ain't going to do jack daily shit. Alright. So yeah, we got those. CT site, Iron Rose. And Skirmish. What a great time. I mean, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I can already tell I ain't gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it entirely.
Could use some help over here.
Alright. Rifles, we've got the Rocket Pop, Elite Build, Necromancer, Ola. This, I was busy opping a while back in some other map, but I had it to where it was, he's sending them back to the ranch, boys. So,
fuck off, cunt.
Opa.
Yeah. Suppose I'm getting used to the, things again. Oh jeez, this already feels like agency, just like the walking in here. This is like an agency map if I've ever seen anything. Hey look, a slide. I do want to see though, oh, I don't have too many whatchamacallits, okay. I got killed, so... He seriously didn't take my op. Where did he kill me from? I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, you're gonna flash your bong, and I'm gonna send you back to the ranch. Welcome to Tangent. But these are all the servers. Jeez. Why is here? You know, like, I can't go like exploring on a freaking map. Explore the map. Jeez. We got no dignity. Alright, what was I saying about the servers? Oh yeah, this. I think it's. Usually they have it like differently wise. Alright, this is a massive servers, man. I'm telling you, I ain't gonna lose it on this map. There's like a server room. Wait, what does that say? Are you sure you're in a society?
Push up there.
Oh, I get fucking Russian script. No play. I'm gonna laugh.
Run.
What the fuck?
Ooh, geez, people are dying.
I don't know this map at all, so y'all carry.
Yeah, me neither. This is my first time being back in this game, and I get this map.
Puta que me pariu.
Jesus Christ, your mic is loud.
Yeah, sorry, I haven't gotten to that yet.
I think my guy's good.
Throwing flashbang. Terrorists win.
Yeah. Well, I guess we're buying this round.
Shit, I didn't know you were broke.
Let's go.
Oh, some broke boys.
So much glass here to fuck on.
Nah, most of
What's
us
this slide
indestructible.
glass?
I'm throwing a grenade.
There's a guy there. Green.
Porra.
Got you. Oh, I have the bomb.
Caralho.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Filho da puta.
Actually, fuck it up, grab it.
Going slow as fuck.
Okay,
Nice.
remember, this is YouTube, and we're apparently blowing this place up.
It's so loud.
Puta.
Gonna plant.
Wow, that was bad. He's lit 70. He's got an AK. I have no idea. Up there in the room to the left.
Oh, I hear it behind me. How did I
Nice.
kill them both? That spray was bad.
Jesus Christ, dude. Is your microphone inside your body? Good job.
Ah!
We just need 10, boys, and then we
Tangent.
can jerk our cocks until we come.
I've already been doing that the whole game.
Oh, dude, that's hot.
It's like Steam changed.
Y'all know it.
Steam changed
When I
the
die,
fucking,
bury me with all my ice on.
what did they changed like
Are
the
you all
sort
ready
of
for
setting
this?
to like fix your mic
gonna go
so
to
that
B.
it wasn't
And kill them all.
so loud.
That's hot.
I just really hate that.
Y'all just sit back and relax.
Throwing a flashbang.
Is my mic okay now? I moved it farther away from the face.
Are you fucking I hit him once? Alright, never mind, I suck.
There's 2 on A.
How the fuck do I get in here?
There's still 2 on A.
One in the window.
One's in office on your left. It's up to the left.
Sorry, but I have to do that. Yeah, Steam fucking decides to change, or Valve decides to change the fucking setup for the microphone.
Alright, we broke
So
our
now,
money.
instead of like just
Okay,
simply
we're
going into
kind of
settings, we have
money.
to go
I'll give one of
somewhere
you a Mac
else,
10.
which I hate.
No, you're good, dude. Just leave me. I'm good.
No. You're gonna get
You're
going.
fucking generous.
Get out.
I like to think so. Sharing
I
is
still
caring.
didn't get a gun though, but that's cool, dude.
Oh shit. I gave out 1 Mac 10.
Dude, that's okay. You're hot.
Aw, thanks, man. Hey, where are you at?
One in the window across from me. I don't know what the fuck it's called.
Oh yeah, your character model is definitely hot.
Dude, come here and have sex with me.
Alright, let's go.
Put it in my fucking cooch. Oh yeah.
This is the way to do it.
Oh, you making a motherfucker come? Look at me shaking. Oh
Dude,
yeah.
stop having some fucking sex, jeez.
Oh
We
my
need to
god.
kill people.
That's
Get that
mean.
erection later after you kill somebody, okay?
Alright, you stay on
Alright,
top of
I'll
my
kill
head.
this
Now, let's go.
Alright, I'll kill this dude and then I get to have sex.
Exactly, that's the point of this.
Got one!
Hey, we can fuck now, real quick, real quick, real quick.
Real
we
quick?
can fuck, we can fuck, we can fuck.
Yeah! Alright, I'm ready. They ain't even ready for me now.
Planting the bomb.
He's planting the bomb.
How you feeling
Todd.
now, Mr. Crab? Please open that door. Someone got out behind?
Like over here?
Yeah, like where you are.
There's one above me, jerking his cock.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't see him
Got
come
him.
out until it was too late.
Hey, I got 2 kills. Can we fuck at the beginning of the round now?
Absolutely. Absolutely,
Fucking
actually.
right, yes.
Ooh, I've got the bomb too. It's gonna make it more dangerous.
I'll
Little
put a
kinky.
decoy up your fucking ass, dude. Come here.
Ooh, damn.
Come here. Turn
Haven't
around.
had
Stick
this
it out.
kind of
Even white
play
girls got the
since
shout. Come here, come here.
Wow. My ass is smoking right now.
Animation he did as he threw the decoy. That was perfect. It's like his hand was directly upward.
That is lovely. That's the sight I want to see.
I was about to say, that motherfucker has 20 health.
Nose
Nade that
higher
pussy.
up.
Yeet. Nade him.
Safety!
Nade that pussy, dude. Don't
Don't
even
eat it.
re-peek it. Nade it. Nade it. Oh my god, you're hot. Never
that.
gotten so close to coming, dude. Flashbang, walk out in that bitch and get their ass.
Throwing flashbang. Flashbang.
That was a guy. Oh,
Twice
jeez.
now.
No!
That glass is supposed to be bulletproof, nigga.
Yeah, what the hell? But only on their side.
Oh, the phone, pal!
What the fuck?
Bum rush the left side, whatever the fuck that's called. Let's go. Flashbangs out, fucking cocks out, dicks out, pussies
Hey,
out.
I'm ready. Mine's already out for Harambe. It's all in my heart.
Dicks out for Harambe, dicks out for Harambe.
Oh, when you said that, I could have gotten my MP5 because I labeled that my dick.
Well, shit. Now it's too late.
Well, I got the
Yes,
so
quite
this
see.
is fine.
He's at 54. Thank
He's
you.
a dead bitch now.
Abortion clinic? Anybody here?
Go plant that shit, bitch.
Throwing smoke. Setting the bomb.
I am definitely demonetizing this video.
Come up, stack me, dog. Stack me. Come here. Hands are so fucking cold. I need to go turn the heater on. Holy shit.
There's just one abortion clinic victim here, okay?
Oh, he's up there. You saw him.
Oh, how did that feel?
Yo, I'm telling you, I can't no-scope my teammates worth of shit, but just make sure it's an enemy and I got it, dog.
Alright, this round, we're gonna bomb rush the right side.
Stop.
Because they're gonna expect the left side again.
Okay, Boomer.
I'm laying down some smoke.
That guy's lit.
Wonder if you can wallbang that.
Figuratively and literally.
Use that enter key.
He's in that fucking room that looks like a goddamn storage container.
Grenade.
Oh, how did I not headshot him? Jeez. Oh, I'm just getting destroyed right now. Oh my god. Oh, good. 3-7. Man,
One coming my way.
so hard.
Oh, damn.
Oh, that was bulletproof.
That should hit him. Ah, good try.
They have kids, so good try.
I don't know what's wallbangable on this map. Obviously, those two spots aren't, because that motherfucker should have died.
What, you mean the van?
Porra, ninguém no Brasil aqui, porra.
What the fuck did you just say to me?
Hey, I agree with his viewpoint and what
I
he's
agree
saying.
too. Honestly, that made perfect sense.
Hey, Russia,
Honestly, I feel enlightened.
from Russia, right?
If we
So
ain't
you
squadding up,
should
hey, listen, if we ain't squadding up after this shit, if we don't get the 10 rounds, then I'm killing myself.
Hey, I mean, kind of same here.
Well, this game is
Why?
right?
It's as soon as I look away every time. Before that, it's like,
Grenade.
When
Okay,
I
this
die,
guy
bury me
just
without the
keeps moving
lights
now.
on.
Wait, was he not in there?
God damn, I don't know this map.
Oh, that is wallbangable.
I'm just
Okay,
trying to hit my fucking output.
There's so many people.
One tap this super good yellow.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get the bomb.
Meu Deus. Puta que...
Puta, sika puta.
Ikrai minha, il pizza pizza.
That's it, eat the pizza. Very good.
Mamma mia, that's a one spicy pizza.
Brasil!
That's a good pizza!
Oh my lord.
Did we get him killed? I'm sorry.
Tem ninguém do Brasil aqui, porra.
Ah, nito maracate presa, origato, sanimandatato, sareba ita taco.
Oh,
Tá
arigato
louco.
kaima.
I'm
I'm
holding a pistol. Mamma mia! That's not how you hold a pistol. This is how you hold a pistol. What can you?
That is ear rape central. But also, do you guys want to hear my Italian impression?
Yes.
Pizza, spaghetti. That was it.
That was pretty good, dude.
Thank you. I worked on it
Dude,
a
you
lot.
missed every shot, you Russian prodigy.
Hey, this man, this Russian kid here, he's got the iron fist. He will fist you good with that thing.
What if I want that?
Yes, they'll never expect you to kill yourself with your own molly. Good strat.
Why?
These niggas played this map before.
I swear that they have. They know where everything
They're
is.
cheating, dog.
This is
My Fuhrer.
matchmaking at its finest.
Dude, bum rush B, dude. Rush B.
Okay, my dick is out.
When they die, bury me with all my ice on. When I die, bury me without the lights on.
Let's do this.
I'm about to fuck they bitch with some Gucci flip-flops.
Fuck they bitch with some fucking Gucci flip-flop. I guess we rush an A, because I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Well, yeah, you set the bomb rush a freaking site, and we're just gonna
Fuck that bitch.
you deserve my D.
Alright, A's right here.
We just gotta rush every round, boys. They can't do nothing about it.
They got some people on it.
Check your right side, bitch.
I'm planting the bomb.
I'm gonna plant right here. I don't know.
Throwing a grenade.
He's right there, lit 60. In the corner. Kill him, he's black. Kill him because he's different than us.
Oh, jeez, why? Okay.
Going to a Christmas party tonight and I'm gonna get fucked up.
I think I used out too much cum on that day.
Dude, Negev is the best gun in the game. But I'll keep you out.
I killed 3 people with my dick, okay?
P90 rush B, boys. P90 rush B. God told
Alright,
me.
I got you.
God told me. God.
Hey, if God told
God,
him...
Do you know who God is? Are you close with God? God told me.
I thought I was God, but I might not be now.
No, you are God. You just told me. You told me. Like, you didn't even have to know you told me, dude.
Telepathically.
I have so much faith in these boys, I'm holding the bomb out. I'm not even fucking holding my gun out. Come on, boys, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
I've got a P90, you can like instantly rape these guys. See? Watch.
Look, just push, dude. I got my bomb out. Damn, he two-tapped me.
I avenged you. I got it. Cover me!
Oh jeez, don't scare me up like that.
Coming up top. Actually, they're going left. They're going behind you guys. He's going down that stairwell to your right, Dr. Phil.
Where? Can they come from this way?
Yeah, they can come from lower. Yeah,
Ow.
look, Master Yeet got him, dog. Master Yeet's my boy. I ain't even gonna lie, dude. Dude,
Oh,
do you want to
dude,
fucking
you're my
live with
boy.
me? You want to fucking live over here
Dude,
in my
let's
house,
go.
dog? Let's go.
Where you at?
Yo, dude, I live in Picayune, Mississippi, dog. Come get it.
Hey, Mississippi, come see.
Oh, fuck. No problem. We don't even. It don't even matter if we're related, dog.
Hell yeah. Oh, we won the round
Does he not have kids?
because of our bond. Our bond is what got us through that round. Nothing else.
I told you, dog.
Did he have kids?
P90 rush. P90 rush, boy. Let's go A. Let's go A long, dog.
A long, A schlong. Let's get
A
it.
schlong. Come on, boys. P90s. Yeah, there you go, Dr. Phil. Come on, Funk. Come on. Come on, get that P90 out.
If these things fail again, I am gonna take out my dick and we're gonna win it.
No, you're gonna
Hey, whip
windmill
it
that
out,
shit
dude.
until it slaps me in the face 30 times, and then you can put it away.
Hello, motherfucker.
Well, I need to reload the cum machine, okay?
Come out spraying, boys. Come out spraying. Come out spraying.
There's a guy out there. Get him, boys.
On sight.
Fuck a nade to the gun! Okay.
I'm on your side!
He just took a nade right to the gut.
See, I told you.
Menor, ajeita a
I
cabeçona.
just took a nade, boys. I deserve the Iron Cross here.
There's one backside.
Shit. Oh, Oh, nigga, you got this. Play time, dog.
Don't need it.
You don't even need it. You don't even need time. What is time to you? You're
I'm
God.
I'm like
You're
fucking
God.
Dio Brando, dude. There's
Dude,
a
you're
Waldo
so
out here.
hot. Holy fuck. I can't contain my boner.
Dude, I'm actually doing kind of good this game. I don't even understand.
Making your boner even more
Dude, it's
hard.
the bond. It's the fucking bond.
I haven't played in like a year.
Dog, it's the bond. I haven't played in 3 years.
Okay.
I haven't played since they did the update that took my LEM away from me.
Oh shit. I'm so sorry for your loss.
Yeah. Everybody's sorry for their fucking loss after that update. Nigga, you ain't been around long enough, evidently.
Oh no, I was there. I was like an MG4 or something.
I was fucking LEM, and you wanna know, I dropped 240 bombs for my rank up, and I got fucking silver 3. And my buddy, who dropped 220 bombs for his rank up, got fucking gold Nova 3. I was so pissed.
I got gold Nova 1 from MG4.
I was so fucking pissed.
A little bit more if you kill that guy. Yeah, apparently I didn't have enough to kill that guy.
Planting.
Excellent work.
You don't want
God,
none of
that's
this
hot.
shit.
What the fuck?
I think we need representation from
No
whoever that
taxation
is.
without representation, dog.
Hey, that's right. Throw the tea in the river.
Yo, check this fucking sick flash out I just learned.
Dude, that's sick.
Amazing. 10 out of 10.
Let's burn it to the ground.
I'll spot him.
Fire in the hole.
There are some of them out there.
I'm throwing
Just let me know so I can keep jumping this.
Can you boost this? Hey, let's see if we can boost this window, dog. Someone come up here and boost this window. Yeet,
Where
get
at?
your ass up here. Jump out that window.
I'm up here.
Nigga,
Where you at?
One on A.
it's too late now. We gotta push
Look to
this
your right,
pussy with
Luke.
this op.
Alright, copy that.
Nice job.
Alright, begin the planting procedures.
I'm setting the bomb.
There's one coming from B.
Yeah, I hear
There's one coming over here. No scope this pussy ass. Watch what
Shit.
you gotta do. Watch what you gotta do to it.
Oh! How's that feel, bitch?
We got this 10 round, boys, like we got this dick in our ass.
I'm already holding my dick. This video is so gonna get monetized.
Yo, where the fuck are we?
We're defending, right?
Efficiency?
I thought this was terminal from MW2.
Rapapo.
Dude, it is.
Oh damn.
No way, this is YouTube. That lady shot up the place.
Ooh, maybe I'll have to do the same. Where are they coming from?
Damn,
I don't know
hit
where I
him
am.
Ah, velho, vai se fuder.
I agree.
Ooh, 2 shots.
Did he say he has a nasty foot?
Oh, I'm in their spawn.
I lit one.
Knife that cunt.
Bomb down, bro.
Yo, boys, sit on that casting couch and do a little video for us.
Oh yeah, Dr. Phil, sit on that couch real
Do a
quick.
little video for us, dog. Yeah, that couch. Oh shit.
Yeah, can you spin around a little bit?
That's hot.
Get that guy out of here. This is our
Dude,
casting
he didn't pay
video.
his fucking money
Knife
for this
him.
shit. He didn't pay no money for this shit. He didn't pay no money for this shit.
Sound like Freddy from like Five Nights. Yeah, y'all remember that one?
5 nights at Murphy's.
Five Nights at Spaghetti's. That was my favorite game.
Who touching my spaghetti?
Grab your gear, let's go.
No, you got to play as the spaghetti,
Watch me
and your
one
goal
tap
was
this
to find
bitch.
the red sauce. It was pretty sick.
Laying down slowly.
I just get ahead of B quick.
Push that shit, Master Yeet. They ain't worried about our footsteps, dog.
Well, I just got blasted.
Damn, dude, I see you with the knife. What? Where?
I think it's at A.
I don't think
No,
it
it's at
is.
B, my nigga.
Ah, vai tomar no sul.
What did he say? Something about
He said soup. Yeah, he said don't forget
Yeah.
about the soup.
Yeah, thank you, I won't.
Damn, that boy
dude.
lit 80.
Okay, you're heading into the server farm.
One tap. Someone type them in chat. Say, let us get 10, you fucking pussies.
Alright, y'all, let's hold sites. I'm gonna hold A, you all hold B.
Time to earn our
Dude, I believe you.
Yeah, I got this site. I'm just gonna hide until they're planting the bomb. And then I'm gonna come out like a ghost, be like, boo, and scare.
Wi-Fi. Yeah, right.
I hear a grenade at A, but don't come to me. I've got it. Purple, get the fuck away. This is my time.
Alright. I'll jack out somewhere else.
Get out of here, orange. God
My boy said
damn
he
it.
got it. He got it, dude. Leave him the fuck alone.
Yeah, see, that's what happens.
Damn, they fucked me up at B, dog. They come in B. Go, yeet, go. They bomb B,
Oh
nigga.
shit!
Dang it! That's something for a knock kill.
Come in there spraying, dude. I'm willing to bet you in that fucking stupid room again, dog.
Hey!
He ain't about it. They ain't about it.
What?
Damn. Oh, dude, what the fuck are we doing? Why aren't we P90 rushing them again?
Yeah, we should probably do that.
Yeah, dude, we CTs. We're supposed to push the terrorists, dog. We gotta make sure they're all dead.
Modo, mod.
Wait, we got a Russian kid, and there's a PB Bison.
Let's go.
Ciao.
So, we should probably do Russian style theme. No!
Line flashbang.
My head and the butt steals it. Ugh, Friday has failed me. Come on! I want to go, come on!
He's lit 50, nigga.
Alright, cue the Russian theme music.
Go, go, go. Cover this area. Yes? flashbang.
Ow.
He's just sitting in the corner. Oh my!
I hate my life now. That's just retarded. We need a friend back.
Fire in the hole.
Going B.
Keep.
You know, I think after Yeet left us, we started to lose.
It's because we lost our nigga. It's the one that says bad motherfucker on it, because I'm a bad motherfucker.
Lock and load. Hold this position.
Well, an MP7 is still kind of like a dick.
Throwing a grenade.
Wow, that bitch a pussy.
I got him lit super badly too. 98 lit.
Vaza, vaza, vaza.
Oh, how's that penetration feel?
Yo, it's okay. Daytona Funk got this. I haven't seen him hit a single fucking deagle shot. There we go.
Well, it's just the three of us, so...
Let's go.
Oh, I hit a few people with a Deagle Gauge! The deal sucks. Yeah, lost bows. We're up to like... Just a two hits. Okay, yeah, I should have just went for a revolver. Jeez.
Dá meio de recompensa, Matheus, eu fico assim.
Alright, at this point I really don't give a shit, so let's just do an auto.
Animal.
Stay here. Yes. Found their entry.
God, hit him. I know I'm gonna regret this.
Mano, cuida da bomba, véi!
I'm defusing the bomb.
What?
Move it. Move it. Laying down smoke. Incendiary out. Fire in the hole.
Yeah, I said builder parts. Well, let's just say I ain't got a good name for this fever dream idea.
Use some help.
I'm starting to figure out the map though, but depends where you guys are going.
Counter-terrorists win. Report in.
Report in. Dumbass. So. How much play is so... Okay, I can pull another one. what this basically ended up.
No. This game's over already. No one cares.
Yeah, I think fuck around and do your best.
Yeah.
Yeah, great idea right there. That's smart. Alright, time to have a dick. Oh yeah, Blue knows what I talk about.
Hell yeah.
Para de gritar no microfone, ô filho da puta.
You're a fucking puta, bitch. Don't you ever call me that again, you little kid.
Flashbang. Grenade out.
Oh, I saw his head. Come on.
Throwing fire.
No scope them bitches.
What did I just become? I have become the triple. I get nothing. Okay, let's leave. Well, I'll do another one. So, as soon as I get the mic fixed up. So, see you guys later. Take care. Peace on out.